Hi viewers, this is the fifth and last video of file handling. In this video, you will learn how to create a folder in Java and also delete folder. In Java, if you want to delete folder, you have to make sure that folder is empty, otherwise Java not allowed to delete folder. We will use a recursive function to delete non-empty folder. Let's start. We open Netbeans and open file handling project. We will remove try code and write new one. Here we initialize file object and name folder to my folder. We use make directory function of file class. It will return true if folder created, else it will return false if folder already exists. Now we will run project. Here message shows folder created. Now we check in project folder. Here is the folder, it is empty. Now we delete folder using delete function. Run project, now folder deleted. Now we create another folder, name it file folder. In this folder we will create a file. We will name file as my file. Save project and run. It give error. We correct folder name and run again. Now we check project folder. Here my folder is created, and if we open it, it contains my file. Now we try to delete folder, save and run project. It shows message that folder has files or directories. As we discuss first, if folder is not empty, Java will not delete it, so we write a recursive function, which first delete files in the folder, and then delete main folder. We name this function as delete folder, and pass file object. Here we get list of files that contains in folder. Here we run loop to delete subfolder, if empty. Here we check if it is subfolder or file. If it is folder, we make recursive call. Here we delete files in subfolder, if any. Here we delete main folder. Now our function completed. We call it in main function to delete folder. Now save and run project. Folder is deleted now. Thanks for watching, like, and keep subscribe for latest videos.